not like wakeboarding where the boat can just come around and pull you, or like with snowboarding, you're taken up via lift and then you just go all the way down. I've seen it on TV and how people do it, but it's not like I've had many opportunities to actually try the Hobie Cat.
What's the death rate now? Nice and snug.
Before actually going out to sea to try the Hobie Cat and sail, we had to do, of course, training and precautionary work. That to me was actually very scary because we had to use our weight to try and lift the entire boat over. And that is a requirement to see whether your strength and weight can actually, in case of emergency, reflip the boat back over.
All right, I think I can do that.
There you go, there you go. That's how you do it. Good, there you go. Good job, Mandy.
I just passed the first test and it was definitely a confidence booster. I'm ready to get on this Hobie Cat and go sailing.
I was very lucky that when I tried the Hobie Cat, the waters were more calm, so I wasn't subject to a lot of waves. And I was able to learn very quickly actually, and at one point I was sailing the boat all by myself. It was such a fun experience. Like when I'd look down at the water, I'd notice that, oh my goodness, I'm actually going super fast. Word of caution, Hobie Cat sailing is very addicting. Once you get out there and you catch your wind for about 20-30 seconds, even 5 seconds, you get this adrenaline rush. It was such a thrill to be able to read where the wind was coming from. The irony of Hobie Cat sailing is that people consider it an extreme sport, given the fact that people die and people get hurt. But when you're out there, there's a strong sense of tranquility that you get, and you know, at that point, like nothing else matters. The Hobie Cat sailing is a very fun and peaceful way of experiencing nature and the ocean at the same time.